Today, I'm spending some wonderful time in the heart of nature. The air here feels so fresh and pure, and with every gentle breeze, the leaves of the trees began to dance. It is as if nature itself is alive, moving gratefully and whispering softly through the sound of the wind. All around me I see a green paradise, trees standing tall, leaves shining under the daylight, and the calm atmosphere wrapping me in peace. Being here makes me realize how powerful nature really is. It gives us fresh air to breathe, shade to rest under, and beauty for our eyes to enjoy. The sound of the rustling leaves is like music to the show, and the soft touch of the wind feels like a blessing from the sky. In moments like this, life feels simple yet complete. Far away from noise and stress, I can feel truly relaxation in my heart. Nature teaches us to slow down, to be calm, and to live in harmony with the world around us. Every leaf, every sound, and every movement of breeze tells me one thing: happiness can always be found in simple things. This place is not just beautiful to look at. It is a reminder that peace and joy are always waiting for us in the natural world. As I stand here, I feel grateful for this moment. Grateful for the fresh air, the dancing leaves, the beauty around me, and the calmness inside me. Nature truly is the greatest gift, and I am blessed to be a part of it.